panel. Solar panel. Guys, meron naman kami panibagong kabit na solar panel. Ayun guys, oh, may dagdag naman yung client, another panel naman guys. Ang idagdag naman na panel is mga 7 ka panel guys, 7 ka panel sa tag 580 watts ang isa. Dito guys, ang panel ito, ang isa nito is 605. Yan, by official na panel guys, back to back. Yan, napakaganda ang panel yan guys, oh. Yan, lawak. Dito ilagay na, kabit namin dito 7 ka panel sa tag 580 tiga isa. So yan guys, sobrang lawak na dito. Pinabitan namin dito po yan sa may linawon. Yan, ito yan sa may linawon guys, sakop sang Kawayan. Painit guys. Yan po si Solar Boy tsaka si nung dyan. So update na muna kayo guys. Ayan guys, oh, tingnan nyo guys yung outfit ko guys. Yan, sobrang init dito guys. Yan, ang lawak na panel. Yan, so update na lang kayo guys, ah. Guys, ayun guys, oh, tingnan nyo guys, napakalawak. Yan guys, tingnan nyo guys. Ayan, oh, yan, daming panel guys, oh. Yan, baka gusto nyo magpakabit guys, just PM me. Guys, hi guys. Ayan guys, yung kinabit namin na panel guys, sobrang dami guys. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Yan. Yan guys, 3 lang po kami nagkabit dito guys. Yan guys, oh, isang araw lang yan nagkabit guys. Yan, sobrang dami. Tingnan nyo guys. Yan, zero bill yan guys. Dating 150 na bill, ngayon wala nang babayaran guys. 150,000 na bill ngayon guys, oh. Sisiw lang guys. Ayan pong installer guys, oh, yung boss namin guys, si Solar Boy Photography. Ayan, oh. Yan, yan ang pinakamalupit dito guys, mag-install ng solar. Ayan, oh, tingnan nyo guys, napakalawak guys, no? Yan. Ayan guys, oh. Napakalawak guys. Oh, babay Anay. Oh, hi. Hi Anay sa vlog. Din si Busing. Ayan si Busing guys, oh. Ayan guys, dito na lang kayo mamaya guys, ha. Hi guys, hanggang dito na lang yung vlog namin guys. So naikabit na namin yung solar panel. Yan, maraming salamat pa sa panonood nyo guys. Yan, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And guys, kung gusto nyo magpa-install guys, PM nyo lang ako. Saka Solar Boy Photography, ayan, oh. Ito yung mga panel na kinabit namin guys, ang lawak. Ayan guys, hanggang dito na lang. Peace out!